let's start with targeted custom drop-offs.
Okay.
Okay, so some of us have been like creating boxes or specific drop-offs to target to folks. I had a shop that I worked with in Las Vegas that had a really, really interesting approach to this, and it was uber successful. So two different options that they did. One was they did really curated boxes. So they printed on the outside of the cardboard. They put a bunch of different items in there, a little bit of promo, mainly screen printed materials. The investment was around $50 a box. So not a small investment, right? But they used them specifically for warm leads. So this would be someone that just reached out to us for the first time. We're about to put a quote together for someone. We've been trying to court them. We've had a few conversations with them. So they did this specifically for what they would consider more of a warm lead. They saw an 80% success rate on getting deals over the finish line with the people that they sent these boxes to. $50, huge
how many boxes a week are we talking?
I don't know the specifics of that, but I would guess like dozens. This wasn't just like they built 5 boxes and shipped them out. And they also branded them like kitschy slogan on them. I won't give away all the details, but yeah, they gave a lot of boxes away. One thing so not only did they close deals because of it, their customers that they sent boxes to also started ordering these boxes for their employees, for their clients. So now they're doing kits for those clients.
That's cool.
Hugely successful. The other thing that they did was for cold prospects, they put a single piece of merch into just a branded poly mailer and shipped them out or dropped them off. So for cold, it's a little bit different, right? Like I still want to get in front of them, but am I really going to spend a ton of money, time, and effort into fully branded? Super beneficial as well. Two things that I always get asked: should we put our shop logo branded merch in the box or in the bag for the drop off, or should we print their logo onto something? I don't know if there's a right or wrong there. You got to be a little bit careful with like copyright infringement. Like, are they going to get pissed that you're printing their logo on a shirt and giving it to them? But think about if you're getting a box. If I got something that a shirt, a hat, a tote bag that had set sales on it, I'm going to use that, right?
Yeah, be fired
versus if it said the shop name on it. So just something to think about. But I do think targeted custom drop-offs is a great hack to drive.
Is that why you guys never wear your campusing tie-dye hoodies? Thanks.
I wear my campusing tie-dye hoodie all the time.
Hell yeah. That's a different type of marketing. But I just talked to the CEO of a company called Hoop Swag yesterday, a sock company. He said to me, his best way to get people to respond is find their LinkedIn pictures, print them on socks, and ship it to them.
That's incredible.
Jesus.
But he's like, dude, I get a hit rate every single time. It's like you open something up and it says set sales. I think with transfers right now, it's so easy to get that done. Okay, this is super cool. And it doesn't have to be 1 million boxes. It could be like a dozen boxes a week, you know?
Yeah, I mean, anything, right? Like think about most shops' outbound marketing efforts. It's usually zero, right?
Well, I love this because it's not like outbound sales. It's but the timing of it is, I think, the crucial part, right? Is sending it when its lead's warm instead of 6 months later. Although maybe it could be hey, don't remember us? Here's something cool.
Both. If I'm in an outbound campaign with them and I'm sending them targeted emails or I'm calling, having that drop off be another point of creative outreach, I think that
Kevin, is it better to send, in our industry specific, a box of donuts or a box of merch?
Merch all day. All day. It shows what we do, right? It takes all the data and statistics show that it takes like 12 plus touches for someone to remember your name, your company, what you all do. Yeah. Like no donuts, yes, merch.
Steven, what would you send? So what is the sales limit to a quote that you'd send this out? 5K, 1K, 10K? Like, okay, we get an order in. So there's two situations I see here. One is the warm lead, and you send an order out for, let's call our quote out for 5K. Another one is, let's say 6 months later, and you want to make sure that they're just top of mind. Maybe they've ordered X amount or greater. What would those numbers be?
So I think there's two differences. There's VIP, like these are our top 20% of our customers that we're going to send beautiful gift boxes to because their life, their yearly spend with us is over, 15, 20 grand. I think that's another box. Those are Christmas presents and stuff. But I think what Kevin's talking about is I met you for the first time. I know you have a bunch of events coming up. You guys could be spending $20, $30, $50,000 with us a year, and I haven't worked with you before, so I'm going to try and flatter you a little bit.
Totally.
For us, I'm looking at, like our AOV is about $2,000, but I'm looking at like what's their lifetime value to us? If we crack them, how long are they going to last? This isn't just a fun run, one and done. This could be a big company, a big organization, a company with a big marketing department, right? We talked to Jeremy Parker from swag.com that just went to the Facebook secretaries and went straight to them, right? So yeah, I mean, these are kind of trying to land bigger fish, but anyone that's going to spend a decent amount of money consistently. All right, let's keep going.
Wait, real quick, you brought up a good point there, Steven. Every shop should have their hit list. 10, 20, 25 companies in their geography that they know they would do a really good job for that would produce a ton of results. You should know who those are, and those are the ones you should be visiting and getting uber creative with and really targeting heavily.
Bruce, we went to a shop once that posted the top 50 customers on the wall.
That they wanted or that they had currently?
I think that they had currently, but it would be cool to do who you want.
Throw your hit list up there too. Have all of your employees see those companies that you want to target and do business with.
Thanks so much for listening. Hopefully that was informative. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like. Don't forget to hit the bell for notifications if you enjoyed this video. If you enjoy all the stuff we're putting out, it's really helpful. We love to just be able to see it. That means that we're doing a good job. To subscribe, hit the bell for notifications, and hit the like button. And I'll see you in the next episode. Bye.